What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Unreal Engine 5 game development live stream where we're working on our Gas Course project, an action RPG built from scratch using the Gameplay Ability System plugin, C++, blueprints, and all that good stuff. So what I want to work on today, something we were continuing on from yesterday, is to try to get retargeting done correctly for our elf character that we got from the marketplace. And, you know, retargeting stuff is very difficult for me, at least. See, because the results of my first attempt were not the greatest. You know, we're missing the feet and everything, but the other aspects of it turned out decently well. So we're going to try again, and we'll kind of just see what happens. So I'm going to take my time. We have this elf male test that I'm going to do instead. This is like, I don't know, some like naked skeleton kind of thing. I'm going to have this off to the side. And we're going to go, we have Manny elf male here. We have this one. We're going to open up this one. So the source is going to be I came mannequin. Target is going to be elf male test. We're going to do an offset here. And we're going to just do a walking animation. And we're going to use that as a basis of how we're going to start. So actually, I'll have my elf male test up here and the default mannequin on my right here, just so I have a reference point. So let's go ahead, elf male test. So I already set up the root. So the root does root, root, and root on the default skeleton, so that's all good. Pelvis is the retarget root. I don't think this has anything for your retarget or pelvis. So retarget root pelvis, good. Now we have stuff for spine. So we have spine 01 all the way down to spine 05. And we have up until spine 03. So we're going to create a new retarget chain, call it spine. So there's that. And now we have a chain mapping. We're going to add spine. So now he's doing a little more wiggly, it seems. So yeah, next let's go down the list. That's the original one. I don't care about that one. So elf male test. So next there's the clavicle, but there's also the neck. So head, neck 1, and neck 2, all that stuff is the head. So let's find the head. So here's the neck and the head. New retarget chain. We're going to call it head. I don't know if it has, does the head have a goal? No. So there's that. So I should have nothing really happening too much differently there. So what does it have for clavicle? So clavicle, left body, sorry. So we have clavicle L. So, and clavicle, left clavicle doesn't have a goal. So left clavicle. I guess we could do the same thing for right clavicle. Back here we can add head. Right clavicle. Left clavicle. Got stuff happening. It's kind of funny just to see this stuff. All right, so now arm, left arm. So left arm goes from upper arm to lower arm. So upper arm to lower arm. And this arm, so left arm. Does have a goal called hand L goal. So do I get that option? So this is called left arm. Oh, sorry, that goes to the hand. And there's also hand L goal. I don't think I have anything called that goal. This is what the control rig looks like. If it'll open. Stuff happening here that I don't understand. What is this one? So, from simple here, this looks like the same thing. So yeah, let's go to the source here. Let me put the skeleton tree on this side. I don't see anything for the goals. So hand L. There's nothing really there for that. So I'm not sure how I actually set up the IK goal. So let's do upper arm, lower arm, and hand, I believe. New chart chain, and then we're gonna say, so I don't know what the goal is. So add chain and goal. So the goal, full body IK. That. There's that. Maybe it should have like the same naming. Because there's hand L goal. And it's full body IK goal settings. So let me change that naming. Can't tell if that's the same. Now we have fingers and stuff. So these three are left index. Left middle. I don't know if these don't seem to have goals. Only the feet and the hands have goals set. So that's good to know, I suppose. Left pinky. Left ring. Left thumb. So now let's add these. So this is left index, left middle, left pinky, left ring, left thumb. Seems close. Not 100% sure. Okay. And so I did left clavicle. And clavicles don't have any goal, right? No. I wonder if Unreal 4 has a more, not Unreal 4, Unreal Engine 5.4 has a better way to handle this, because this seems like a pain in the ass, but we'll see. So left lower arm twist. There's two different twists. This looks to be the closer one. So we're going to call this left lower arm twist 0-1. And then there's an upper arm twist. That seems to be associated with this one. So left upper arm twist 0-1. So let's add these guys. So left lower arm twist to 1. Whoops. Left upper arm twist 1. Okay. So now we got the right clavicle, so now this is, so upper arm. So let's see, we're going to be doing the right arm. So upper arm to lower arm. And this is going to have a goal, if I remember right. Hand underscore, so new. Or do I have to be like, because there's hand. So new IK goal. Yeah. So this is like that. And it's right arm. Okay. We're getting we're getting places maybe. Let's see. And now we have index. I think that'll automatically name everything correctly. Yeah. So. Okay. So go back here. So right index, right middle, right pinky, right ring, right thumb. So lower arm twist. Right lower arm twist. So we got lower arm twist 0-1. Add, and then this is upper. Go back here. So that's right lower, and then right upper. So he's doing all that good stuff. Walking, walking, walking. Now it's time for the lower body. Let's see here. So we got thigh, So the right leg, where are the legs? Yeah, so right leg is from thigh to ball. But then we also have foot argole under ball. But they call it ball, but no, it's foot L. So from the thigh all the way to that. Okay, so it added 2 of them. So there's left leg, so thigh. So definitely we don't need this one. So left leg, thigh L to ball L, foot L, goal. So let's add you. Okay, he's doing something. Okay, let's try now the right leg. There's also thigh twists and stuff. I'm not 100% sure on. There's left thigh twist and stuff, but let's do the other one. So ball, new IK goal. We're gonna call this foot our goal. Go from here to here. Whoops. Go from here to here. So new target chain. Like that. It adds it twice. I don't know why. We don't want the first one. Rename that. That looks good. Right leg. It's getting there. Now we have thigh twist L. Let me cancel that. So left thigh twist 0-1, right? So left thigh twist 0-1. Add. And then we gotta do the same thing for the right. Rename it right. So left thigh twist 0-1. Right thigh twist 0-1. Cool. So boom. Walk it like you talk it. Nice. Now we got like right leg goal stuff. So now we have, yeah, foot root IK. So foot root IK. Left foot IK. And then we'll do right foot IK. Like that. And these IKs don't really have anything special to them. So foot, root, left, and right. Like that. Plays at normal speed. His arms are a little wider. Not sure as to why. But let's keep cooking. So hand root, IK. Oh, I set target root. Don't do that. I hope I didn't break anything. Hand root IK. So the target IK has a goal, level goal that is not present in any of the target changes. Huh? What broke? Did I mess up? What did I mess up? Let's just keep going, I guess, for now. So this is left hand IK. This is right hand IK. Left hand IK. Right hand IK. So what? I'm still not sure what broke. So the target IK has a goal, left leg goal that is not present in any of the target chains. So left leg goal. I think I need to delete that. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, so having separate chains for root and pelvis, setting a retarget root to pelvis on both ends. So the target. So there's root setting. I'm not 100% sure. So pelvis is the retarget root, and then root is root. Root. Now I don't know about these hand IK stuff, honestly. See, like, I don't know why that breaks like that. Or absolute seems to be giving weird results. Can't say for sure what's going on. I think we could try another animation. So reload. Yeah, see how it, yeah, it's like not close. Crouch. Okay, well, at least. Yeah, like the hand stuff is similar. And I'm not sure. It was like, yeah, left arm. Globally scale or absolute. I feel like that's broken. It's closer, I guess. What are these set at? Globally scaled. So these are messed up. Absolute is messed up. Yeah, so these are just kind of weird. So none brings you back here. This one. Yeah, that doesn't seem to be doing anything. So these are none. None. Like, is there a way? So character, mesh. Yeah, this seems all kinds of fucked up. I don't want to reset anything. Okay, so it was a clavicle issue. But again, yeah, crouch, idle. Something about his hands just aren't making sense. The translation mode for root and pelvis. So I don't know where the root is. So this is hand root. Does that change anything? No. This is not anything. This is right foot. This is left foot. The IKs. Maybe these have to be globally scaled. And I feel like these have to be globally scaled. Like, is everything else okay? Like, is this dude okay? Like, here's the right hand IK. Like, I'm not sure why that's that way, you know? But that's at least better. Let's look at walk. No. How about his feet? So like, these are the left hand IKs and this is left leg. That seems fine. Again, I don't know what's up with these hand IKs. Like, I can't even tell if this is correct or not. How does jump look? That's all kinds of messed up. Like, I would like to see, because like root doesn't let me do anything. And pelvis also doesn't let me do anything. Global settings, whatever, root settings, I don't get the same kind of parameters here. That's the root setting. Reload. Up. Like the left hand go like, so the hand IK has no goal, right? But the left hand does. No, the left arm does. Here's the right arm. Doing that just kind of sucks. Turbulate translation mode seems to break. Blend to source. Still kind of messed up. And then right arm, blend to source. Kind of messed up there. So left hand IK. Like right there. Why is mine wrong? The left hand IK. Yeah, I don't quite understand that. Let's look. Hand are... Where are my hand are goals? All the same. So additive has all these things, size multiplier. Like it looks fine. Yeah, right arm. All seems well and good. Yeah, something about it just is messed up. Let's see, UE5, retarget, Manny, reload.
Hello everybody, today I am going to speak about how to add this character from Meta Human character to be working
Let's just
at your
see.
game.
So create project, add character.
Working at your game. So SK mannequin, accept, and last one is I to come here. Need to come and
I also wonder, am I stupid and like maybe it came with an IK thing? Let's see. Elf. So skeletons and physical assets, no. Animations, male. All that stuff. Simple thing. So that's still wrong. Let me see. So ABP, third person male. Am I forgetting to add the feet? Yes. So there's that one. So that's like the default male one. So I wonder, well, I want to try this one again. So is this referenced anywhere? Can I delete all these things? Take out here. That should still give me, yeah, okay. So now I should be able to delete that stuff. Force delete that. Pray there's no problems. Now I should be able to, in theory, go to this. Let me select that one, for example. Retarget atom assets. Like that. So something like that, I think. Lastly, bunch of assets. We should see if there's a problem just based on the preview. It looks good. So in theory, I should be able to move this stuff here. I can put this there, then layer or link. Sorry, is it a base thing? Layer. Armed, like that. So still messed up in a way that I don't understand. But a copy of this curve, and if it does anything change? No. Okay. So all that work for nothing. Why? And let me just take out that link layer for a second. Thing. That's not good. Unarmed is this default one. And like the legs are messed up. It's not the best. How bad does it hurt when I... Because yeah, now I'm getting some way lower FPS. Which is kind of crazy. I wonder if I switch to the normal ABP that they give me. So male. Is it just the head animating? No. Yeah. Yeah, I might have to just work with this animation set, honestly. Seems to be better. And we'll just have to like do some other stuff with it, honestly. Like, it's kind of annoying. But I think that's just the way it's gotta be. Give me a second, I gotta turn on some lights. Go. So I'm still disappointed here. Like, what is wrong with this? So control rig issues. See, so root yaw asset, offset. This is for the sake of testing again. I don't know if I need to fix anything more. Kitty's here. So we're in here. So it looked all well and good until you start moving. And I don't know if it's because of this. The failed property. Like, so do I need to like, let me look at the original one. I'll put this back here. Ah. Did I write code somewhere on accident? Ah. So event graph, totally fine. Atom graph. Do I have to like re-add these? So full body additives. Okay. Full body skill. What is it? Full body skeletal controls. Do the control rig at the moment. So does that make a difference at all? No. Here's the control rig. And what does the unarmed layer stuff look like? So it seems like it has all the same stuff in it, but obviously different names or different direct assets. So I can't say for certain why I'm getting this kind of result. Like, for whatever reason, like even in here, so I believe it's like start. Like, all of this seems to be correct. But then stream Bober. You're internet famous now, Bober. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how this stuff works, Bober. Okay, Bober. I'll be with you in a couple minutes, okay? So yeah, for whatever reason, like root motion is just not working for that. So what if I were to type this? Do retarget animation assets, duplicate. Yeah, so for whatever reason, that still doesn't work. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure what goes wrong. So UE5 retarget Manny breaks. So retarget Manny, root motion not working. So I believe you need to check force root lock on your source animation before retargeting. which I think it should. So let's look. Yeah, force root lock is that. But that doesn't work. Also, there's a chance this might work for some. The above solution did not work for me. Select the root from chain mapping. Okay. Try this again. So now it worked. Well, I saw another thing that said pelvis as well. But maybe that was the problem. Oh boy. Okay. Let's. Because I feel like I have to also create a new source control rig. But yeah, let's set that to none. Layer. I should say layer here. Like that. Let's delete you guys. So I definitely need to, I think I need to make a new control rig. I wonder if control rigs will work the same way. No. Is there another way to like, I don't know. I guess one problem at a time. So let's, delete you. Delete all y'all. And I feel like these things, like, don't get me wrong, like, I don't, I mean, there has to be other examples, right? So animation, let me look for IK retargeters. Like, I kind of want to see what happens if I copy some settings. So RTG to this one might be the best. I'm gonna have it on the other screen. So root is set to globally scaled. Let me just show all modified things. So globally scaled, and then spine, nothing, head, nothing. Left clavicle, 1:1. Left arm, so IK, affected by IK warping, no. And pole vector matching, 1. Blend to source is 0. So that is the same. Next one, left index. Rotation mode, 1:1. left middle, 1 to 1, left thumb and left pinky, 1 to 1, left ring, 1 to 1, right clavicle, 1 to 1, right arm, full vector matching, 1, not affected by IK, warping, right pinky, all this index stuff, 1 to 1. Right leg, this full vector matching, 1. Left leg, same thing. Full vector matching. And then we got foot IK stuff. So foot IK, all these ones are absolute. And that seems to be it. So if I were to once again copy animation. So there's locomotion, rifle stuff, unarmed. We're gonna do forward. We're gonna retarget using this one. All right, so the right hand is all kinds of messed up. Why? Why? What happened? Let's get rid of this one. Let's get rid of that one. It seems fine. Let's look at this again. Like, I'm confused why the right hand IK is so weird. The left hand IK is also very weird. But so for these, I'm just gonna say none. So unarmed. Let's try that again. Yeah, these are still messed up. Why? Why? So is it, so it's the left hand. And it's 1 to 1. So maybe Maybe they just have to be interpolated. No? Why? I'm so confused. Let's compare. Just to make sure I'm not going crazy. Yeah, so he's making a fist. You... Not so much. Let's go back here. Do these have to be 1-to-1? I'm also confused. So because we got the ring fingers, the thumb. All seems good. So that's annoying. Because like if I type in forward, the problem persists here, but not on the right side, which is weird. Something that's just not kosher here. I'm not 100% sure what. So like, to even start out with, the pelvis has IK goal, but not really. Like, I don't understand. I don't understand what that is. Don't want to do that. Select root bone, add settings to selected bone. Okay. Rotation stiffness 1. Spine 1, add settings. Be that. Spine 2 has settings. Don't know exactly what I'm doing. Spine 3. So clavicle also has it. lower arm has it. So lower arm. It's a couple different settings. Use preferred angles. Honestly, I don't know what any of this is doing. So we'll have to just see and pray. So yeah, hand L goals. Good. Clavicle R. Rotation stiffness 1. Lower arm. Preferred angles. And R. Full body. Nothing. Thigh. So thigh L. For angles, I know Lola, I'm sorry. Thigh R would be the same. Yeah. What's the other thigh? Thigh R. Calf R. D. L. Oops. And then calf L. And then the foot stuff is normal. That seems to be it. Seems better, but jog. I guess that's as good as it's gonna be, honestly. No, this is gross. What is that? I don't understand. I mean, has anyone run into this issue? Let's see. UE5, retarget, Manny, left fingers. Fingers distorted after retargeting. So found a problem here at 8 minutes and 8 seconds.
Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video, we are going to be retargeting animation. Show
Let's see.
retargeting options. We're gonna have to change these. So the first two are the only ones that should be set to animation.
Okay. Mesh. Should be like the should be like the full skeleton thing that I've been using. This one. Let's go to the skeleton. Targeting options. Now, let's look at this video again.
Okay. There is a step.
That's not what we want.
Step.
The metahuman one.
And the rest should be set to skeleton.
So root and pelvis animation, the rest skeleton. So recursively set, whoops, targeting skeleton, root and pelvis animation.
Gotta go and do this. Scroll down, all the way down. Just go make sure everything else is set to skeleton.
Thing set to skeleton. Looks like it is.
And my screen is flickering for some reason. It just does not like this skeleton view here. And then skeleton. Okay. Save. And we're going to go to our UE4 mannequin now. And we'll do the same thing. So select humanoid. Since this is retargeted to UE4 mannequin, everything is good. We don't have to change the spine because that matches that. Show advance. And what I am going to remove here are just the IK.
Thank you. Check this video out. It solves your problem. None of these methods work for me. My hands are all jacked up when retargeting animations. I found that forcing the minimum body LOD just solves my problem. Question, as I'm noticing this is not current with the female one, blah, blah, blah. So if you're retargeting UE4 animations to UE5, using arcade retargeters, make sure to set all metacarpals in the chain mapping tab to none. Okay. Horse has meta. It's this one, and then there's simple. So it doesn't have those ones, and then the complicated one has metacarpal. Does this also have metacarpal? Yeah. Someone says, I'm late to the party, but I found that the issues the retarget posed to match up the hands and Manny retarget straight all the hands. So what is he changing? This is a great find. So look in the top left. So there's target default pose, Manny retarget pose. Not seeing anything. That seems fine. And I don't know how you can have multiple poses anyway. But that doesn't really give me any answers. So animation retargeting gives weird finger stuff. Let's see if we can get any detail about this. I don't want to be streaming for too much longer though.
Hi guys,
So between 1340
Unreal Engine 4,
and 1540.
long about she's dying and dying a second. But if I pause it here, you can see there are a lot of artifacts. For example, on that, but I don't think really to fix to retarget animation skeleton and all the animation. Let's check it out. Let's fix them. What we need to do is select the skeleton and the hand, and as you can see, it's not really in a place it should be. You can move it manually and fix that, but doing that for all the fingers and stuff, a lot of work. So you can do it really fast and let Unreal Engine help you. Just switch to the advanced options, click on the hand, right click, and recursively set the retargeting skeleton, and it will recursively set from the bone you selected and all that. So fix, and as you can see it works.
Okay.
Now she's works.
Am I able to add the preview asset? So there's this one. So I'm curious about the left hand. Recursively set translation to targeting animation, maybe? Let's see. So reload. Okay, and then there's also jog forward, unarmed. Yeah, still get this weird curling. But maybe it's not the end. end of the world, but it's still bothered me. Left hand. See here. So interpolated. Let's just see if all these being interpolated. No. So yeah, definitely interpolated. Yeah, it seems like that's the only option. One-to-one looks fine there. It's fine. Excuse me. Well, there's stuff for like this metacarpal thing. Um, maybe like left index can go into the like metacarpal. So left index metacarpal. Let's look. Let's get to the point in the hands where it looks weird. Like that. So let's look at that pinky. So pinky. Maybe? So left, middle. Forward, jog. Yeah, I think it's because it's missing this thing. Let's see, UE5, skeleton, metacarpal. So another one, yeah, weird things. Blah, blah, are always off if you're using your feedback. What that night, your finger weight pain is bad. Blah blah blah. So some more tutorial for it. So retarget workflow. Okay. That didn't tell me anything. That was kind of useless. Oh yeah, was exactly mocap pose offsets between are really strong. If your mocap is so I had my finger chains defined as just the 3-finger joints and the metacarpals were left out. I had to go into the IK retarget search for meta in the tree and right click remove. Okay. That's what they want me to do? Exclude. Yeah, still no good. Porque. Some Reddit stuff. Add these back. All right, maybe we can just add them. I'm gonna discard my changes on IK Mannequin. Reopen them. Weird. I don't know if I have to reopen it or not. Guess I'll re-add them, I guess. It's kind of annoying. So left index metacarpal. Left middle metacarpal. Pinky. So it's got the index finger, the middle finger, the pinky, and the ring. But there's no thumb, which is interesting. So I gotta open up the Manny. I gotta look at these carpal. How does this work? So we got hand L. I add it's a virtual bone. Well, it's a all right. How do I add a bone though? Yeah, I can't really add these bones. UE5, add bones to skeletal mesh. This might be something we'll have to do tomorrow. So note. So please note that it's currently experimental. So skeletal editing tools. So do I need to add this plugin? Yes. Okay, so we gotta restart the editor. I think I'm gonna call it for tonight. It's already been an hour and 45 minutes and I got things to do and relax. So thanks for watching. For those who stuck around to hang out, I appreciate it. If you're watching and not following me here on Twitch, follow would be much appreciated. We'll come back tomorrow probably, so I'll see you then. Have a good night.